Lesser Celandine, Ficaria verna, contains a chemical called protoanemonin. Now, in the very early stages of its growth cycle, that protoanemonin content is very low, and it doesn't cause us a problem, which is why people sometimes eat the young leaf before the plant has gone into flower, raw. Protoanemonin also, interestingly, is destroyed by cooking and destroyed by drying. There are traditions around Europe where the young pre-flowering leaf, people eat it raw. Now, it's quite a modern tradition from what I can find. My job as a foraging teacher is to give you as much information so you can make an informed decision on whether or not you wish to experiment with a wild edible plant. I also list the safety notes. Just because you have eaten a plant and not had a reaction does not mean that someone else won't. I don't put the safety notes up to scare the bejesus out of you. I put the safety notes up so you can make informed decisions.